Blind your enemies.
Blind them, I say. I'm gonna tap on glitter though, because if you swipe, it gets everywhere.
Okay.
So swipe or no swiping. And you watch Dora. Don't have children. You know what I'm talking about. You are gonna outline all of this in black.
Okay.
To make it really pop.
Okay.
And then we're gonna make a black circle around this one. Which I suck at drawing circles, so wish us luck.
So by the way, I have no idea what I look like. I made sure that I can't see the camera the camera screen. So this is completely 100% trust on Courtney. So this will depend on whether or not we're gonna be friends after this.
Oh, it was nice knowing you.
Nice knowing you too.
Oh, it's been a pleasure.
I know.
It's an absolute pleasure. That was a short-lived friendship, but
exactly,
hey,
yeah, exactly. But hey,
it meant a lot.
We have memories.
We had good times. Like that one time.
At
you
Portos?
know that one time?
Yeah, exactly.
That one time.
That one time.
You get all zoned out and stop talking sometimes and like, it's so relaxing.
It's quite alright.
It's like painting a picture. What do you think you look like?
I think I look like my watch.
Kind of. Yeah.
Alright, we'll see.
There's attributes of the watch. Is that a good word?
Yeah.
I feel like it's a good word.
So I know now, because I started watch collecting back in February, I know a lot of people are really like hardcore watch collector. Well, you're not hardcore until you do this. Okay?
This is real love right here.
Exact real watch. You know, and you know what they call the study of watches?
What?
Horology.
Ooh, I like that.
So technically I'm a whore now, so
It's the glitter.
it's the glitter.
It's the glitter.
If there anybody who wears glitter and is offended by that, we apologize.
Totally just
Totally,
sarcasm.
this is complete sarcasm, right?
I wear glitter all the time.
So we have some mutual friends that we did not tell anybody that we're doing this.
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise. It's an absolute surprise. So if you guys are watching this now,
Hi!
thanks for introducing us, because now we're like muck friends now.
Now I get to paint his face.
I know now she gets to paint my face. So please comment down below if you guys are thinking, hey, these guys are nuts.
We are a little.
So, and if you want to see more of these videos on my channel, definitely go ahead and subscribe, and then we'll schedule some more. And definitely follow Courtney on her channel, because she does a live video feed on her Facebook about her makeup and makeup tutorials. And we'll post the link down below.
This is almost matches actually.
All right.
The watch anyways.
I'll take your word for it.
Definitely have an outline. And since the base of the watch is black, we're going to do a black outline.
That's awesome, because the name of the company of the watch is Blacklist.
I like that.
Yeah.
So how did you find that company?
Well, actually, you know, so I'm a subscriber called Watch Gang, and the subscription is pretty neat. You get like a one watch a month.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and then you get to keep the watch. But what's even better is the Facebook group page. So you have to be a member of Watch Gang in order to be part of the page, and then you get to meet all these interesting people who are selling or trading or buying watches, right? And one of the watches that's most sought after is the one that I'm wearing now. The Blacklist vintage. Yeah, exactly. I know, I'm fancy. So.
You're like VIP.
And this is actually the first time I'm wearing this outside of my house. So.
You look like a sun god kind of.
Again, a typical Friday then.
Typical Friday. Are you gonna go out like this?
When do I not go out like
That's
this?
why we're not gonna do this area, so you can wear your mask.
There you go. There you go. See, mascara is the hardest thing for me, because I can't
do other people's mascara.
I can't even do my own.
It freaks me out to be that close to somebody's eye like that.
I freaks me out to get myself on my own, close to my own eye like that. So.
Like I tried to wear contacts one time, not good.
I don't even wear. I just wear glasses.
Okay. Now we're gonna use this eyeliner, which is not my brand, but I really like. So we're gonna use this. Because I drop everything. I'm a natural born klutz. So if I don't drop something, it's not a good day.
Well, then now it's a good day.
It's a good day now. Now we're official.
Exactly.
Now you gotta stop. Don't move your face very much.
Okay.
Interesting.
Gotcha. Hold on.
Okay, do a couple of these. Get it all out. Perfect.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
Mm-hmm.
All right, go ahead.
Pretend you're getting a tattoo right now. Don't move.
Well, I've never had one.
No?
No.
Oh God.
I'm too scared.
Really?
Yes.
That's
No, I'm scared that if I get it on me, that'll change my mind. I do want to get a tattoo.
What are you gonna get?
I want to get that says "I love" in a line, and then I'll just write the girl's name in pen.
Oh shit.
So when we break up, I just wipe it off my
I
arm.
have a friend who has your name and a line on her butt cheek.
Nice.
She says I have your name on my ass.
Nice. That's awesome.
Yeah. When we got this is like 19 years old, so we got to get inside her butt.
The best tattoo story I ever heard.
As I talk about underage drinking.
No,
Disregard that.
disregard that. When the best tattoo story I ever heard was when my godbrother, who's also named Francis, when he passed away, his goddaughter is a really good friend of mine. She got a fairy tattoo. Now my godbrother, when he